Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be continuating the market structure basics of the higher highs, the higher lows, the breaks of structure, the changes of character. This one is going to be applying everything from the past videos, like the liquidity, understanding changes of character fully, all of that. It's going to apply that, and I'm going to put it into one single given example. Okay, so here we're going to start off with a bullish market. Each one of these points, these high points, are called a what? Okay, and answer for yourself, and then I'll fill in the blank, and then answer for yourself what each low point is called as well. Okay, so this is intermediate. This is not beginner level anymore. So if you said each high point is a higher high, then you are correct. Okay. Oops. Let me do that. Let me do that. Okay. There we go. These are all higher highs. Okay. And I don't want to get to this level yet because I want to really go into detail about what this next level is. And then if you answer that these are higher lows, then you are correct. Okay. Higher low. Higher low. Okay. So if you studied and watched the previous videos I made, you'll understand what consolidation is and what the change of character is as well. So we're literally going to be looking at those next things here. So here we have higher highs, and this is all uptrending bullish market structure. Okay. Now, here is where things can get a little bit tricky if you don't understand what you're looking at. What is this point called? Okay. If you said it's a higher high, then yes, you're correct, because it's still a high higher than the previous high. Now, what do you notice about this? What is this called? We're trapped inside of a box. We went over this in a video. I talked about this in the previous videos. What is this called? What is all of this? This is consolidation / liquidity, because it's a liquidity. So here is our consolidation. So where would we mark out our higher low? Okay, so since this is the higher high, this entire level here is pretty much the higher low, because this is the pullback. Okay, so here's our higher low. We're going to mark out our higher low here. Okay, and then here's our higher high, because we created a new high. We broke out of the box, the consolidation, and created a higher high. Okay, remember, like I talked about in the previous video, this is money, okay? And in a consolidation, there is money resting on the highs of the box and the lows of the box. There's money at the top and bottom. So in us creating this higher high, we wiped out the money from the upside. We took out the liquidity up here. There's no more money. Then what happened? If this is our previous higher low level, this is our previous higher low level here, like all of these. This is our previous higher low. And then we have our higher high. What happened here? What is this point going to be called? Okay. If we are below the previous higher low, what kind of structure is that? What is this low point going to be called? Higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. What is this going to be called? If you say lower low, you are correct. So I'm going to mark out the change of character because I can't like hear anybody's voices or anything. So this is our change of character level here. Here is our change. And remember, all a change of character is a shift in market structure. You can see that we went from making higher highs and higher lows to now making a lower low. We just shifted the structure from bullish to bearish. Okay. So now, what is this high point going to be called? If this high is lower than the previous high, what are we now making? Higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. What is this going to be called? If you said lower high, then you are correct. Then it is followed by another lower low. Okay? So, you'll notice when we made this lower low, we took out the money on the lower end as well. So now this consolidation box, when there was money on the high and the low resting, there is no more money here at all. The market grabbed both sides by changing character after making this higher high. The higher high is what grabbed the money on the top. The lower low is what grabbed the money on the bottom. So this was a quick video because I just wanted to apply a lot of the knowledge in which you would have learned in the previous videos into one video to help you understand a little bit more on how market structure works and how it all smoothly runs together, okay? How we'll shift from a bullish market structure to a bearish market structure in a single scenario, okay? So, I hope this video made sense. Again,